Home and Lifestyle TV is always looking for the best places to eat, and boy did we hit a showstopper at a classic diner with a bit of food engineering genius in every bite. Sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Let's get to the bottom of this best of burger spot right now. We're talking about the traditional family favorite diner, Tom's Burgers and Grill in Arlington, Texas. And the genius behind all the great taste is Chef Tom Jones, an engineer by trade turned culinary champion.
We kind of built the place with the thinking that people really deserve great food and great service, and that's what we strive to do. We do have your diner, old style favorites. We also have a big variety of stuff that we do different. We don't want to be like everybody else. We have so many different options on the menu, and so there's something for everybody. A lot of restaurants consider a regular someone that comes in once a week. We literally have regulars that come in every day. I think your customers appreciate the fact that we make so much from scratch and everything is fresh. And from chili or salsa, pimento cheese, corned beef, potato salad, I mean the list goes on and on and on. We currently have 21 burgers on the menu. Anything from a really spicy burger, pimento cheeseburger, and has jalapeno bacon on it. That's my personal favorite burger on the menu. Another good burger is our bacon blue burger, and that one comes with a fried egg on top, as well as blue cheese crumbles, bacon, and bottle caps. The root of all the great flavors of our burgers definitely starts with the beef. We're one of only 2 restaurants in all of Texas that uses the meat that we use. Our best-selling burger is actually our cheeseburger, because who doesn't love a really good cheeseburger? There's literally something for anyone's taste.
All right, everybody. Tom is going to show us how to make his famous, delicious Balsamic Portobello mushroom burger.
It's one of our new items on the menu. You can either have it with a patty, or you can do vegetarian style with 2 portobello mushrooms. This is our half-pound patty right here. We use the large portobello mushrooms. We're going to put that on the grill. This is our balsamic and olive oil with spices. We'll let that soak and cook that way. In the meantime, we'll get the bun, and then we toast them on the flat top till it's got a little bit of crispiness to it. It's just one of the flavor profiles that makes it a Tom's burger. So next we're going to put the provolone cheese on, and right about now it's about time to take the bun off. I had the grill modified with a bigger drip pan so we could smoke pecan wood up underneath. For those of you who want a great tip about making burgers at home, it'd be easier just to come to Tom's.
So now it's time for the bun.
Right, so on the portobello mushroom burger, we use our own garlic mayonnaise. It's going to come with lettuce, run with tomatoes, and that's our portobello mushroom burger.
Well, you saw it right here for yourself. The friendly diner atmosphere, traditional comfort food, re-engineered for greater flavor. I love what Tom is doing for Dallas-Fort Worth, and I suggest discovering your new favorite right here at Tom's Burgers and Grill, Home and Lifestyle TV's best of burgers spot in Arlington, just down the street from AT&T Stadium. So pop in on your way to the game.